Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a rule or port to the Windows 11 firewall. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, turn on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. Make sure you're at your desktop and everything is ready before moving forward. Once your PC is ready, navigate to the Windows Start menu located in your taskbar and click on it. When the Start menu opens, type Firewall into the search box and press Enter. This will bring up the Windows Firewall settings menu, giving you access to all the security configurations you need. Now, take a look at the left side of the window. You'll see options for both inbound rules and outbound rules. Inbound rules control what traffic is allowed into your computer, while outbound rules manage what's allowed to leave. For this tutorial, we'll be working with inbound rules, so go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll manage all incoming network connections and decide which ones to allow or block. After clicking on inbound rules, direct your attention to the right side of the window. You'll notice an Actions panel that displays several options. Look for and click on New Rule. This will launch the Rule Wizard, which will guide you through the process of creating a custom firewall rule step by step. The Rule Wizard will now appear on your screen. The first thing you need to do is select the rule type. Click on the Port Radio button to specify that you're creating a rule for a specific port. Once you've selected it, click Next to continue. In the next window, you'll need to select the protocol and specify which ports you want to apply the rule to. Enter the port number in the field provided. This could be any port you need to open for a specific application or service. After entering the port number, click Next to proceed. Now you'll need to choose what action the firewall should take when traffic tries to use this port. You'll see three options: allow the connection if it's secured, or block the connection entirely. Select the radio button for your preferred action based on your security needs, then click Next. Next, you'll be asked to select a profile for this rule. You can choose from domain, private, or public networks. Simply tick the checkbox next to each network type where you want this rule to apply. This ensures the rule works in the correct network environments. After making your selections, click Next. Finally, you'll need to give your rule a name so you can easily identify it later. You also have the option to add a description to explain what the rule does, which can be helpful for future reference. Once you've entered all the information and everything looks good, click Finish to create your new firewall rule. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom port rule to your Windows 11 firewall, giving you better control over your network security. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.